Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody. Before I will introduce myself, my name is Muhammad Fikkiy Waluyo. Now I am from class 11 Multimedia, Mojoanyar Vocational High School. Here, I will show about my 3D animation using Blender application. With animation character is Angry Bird. This is my character animation Angry Bird. Before I give my face image and this is my animation Angry Bird. After I give my face image. My difficult in patch a photo in animation of Angry Bird is attack the image to object to be affixed. This is the end of my presentation. May be useful. Okay, thanks for already to see my animation 3D. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.